J-Drone here. This is the X18 Space Explorer, and I have a 350 mAh Fly Kool battery in this. This normally comes with a 250 and has a camera on it generally, but the 350 was a little bit larger than the 250, so we had to get rid of the camera and we just have the battery on it, and we have a little bit of electrical tape holding it on there. Again, this is a 350 mAh lipo battery from Fly Kool. They operate off of Amazon just like OBBEY does, so you have no worries about dealing with like a third-party site or something or worrying about your transaction. What we're doing here, this battery I have in here is not charged. If you go back one video, you'll see that I opened up the box. I've not charged this battery. This is a pre-charged flight. I want to see what type of RTF qualities, ready to fly qualities these batteries have out of the box, if any. And right now we're pushing a minute, so they have at least a minute. But yeah, we're gonna give this a time trial like I've done before with a couple other batteries, just to give you a sense of, if I order these batteries, can I throw them right in my quad, and if I do throw them right in my quadcopter, what type of time I'm gonna get. I am dealing with considerable wind here. I have a 5-mile-an-hour wind that's blowing north, which is that direction. So as we are flying this direction, it is to the left. This is a very tiny quadcopter. The legs of it actually fit on a 50-cent piece, and the body itself is probably a little bit larger than a silver dollar. Without the prop guards, it's probably about the size of a silver dollar. This is a very small quad. It's a very nice flyer, as you can see. Again, I'm dealing with wind to the left, and it's doing well. It only has 2 speed settings. I have it in the 2nd speed setting, and you can see I'm actually flying it. I'm not like hovering in one spot. We're flying it here. It's a pretty cool looking drone too. I try to get you a face view of it. It like has a little face on it there, if you can see. Also, night flight. If you like flying at night, this is one to get. If you click on my night flight section, you'll see this. I think it's titled maybe Glow Show or something. Just like a 3 or 4 second clip of this just lighting. It has tons of lights on it. It looks super cool. And this is my smallest drone, guys. Most of them are of the SEMA X5 clone series or higher. But this one's the smallest one, and as you can see, you're able to fly it. And I'm in wind, able to fly it. And it does do flips and barrel rolls, but as you can see, it kind of went towards the ground. And I attribute that to the wind, just because as it flipped, the wind probably took it to the ground, but it recovered nicely. And again, inside of this is a 350 mAh from Fly Kool, and again, they operate off of Amazon just like OBBEY does, so there's no worries about dealing with a third-party site where, oh, I'm not sure if I'm going to get my batteries, or is it going to get stuck in customs. The batteries are in the United States already, guys. Just order. Amazon will get them to you fairly quick. I believe they do offer Prime on these too, so if you're an Amazon Prime customer, you get them even quicker. It's a very nice flyer. And right now we are pushing about the 4-minute mark, guys. It's pretty impressive for a non-charged battery right out of the box that isn't rated RTF. Maybe they are pre-charged, I don't know. But we're gonna get you a full time after this flight. I'm gonna bring the quad in, take the battery out, give it a full charge, and then come out for another flight with the same exact quad and see what the end result is. It should be higher than the end result of this. If for any reason it's not higher than the end result of this, then you know these batteries come pre-charged, and hopefully we get a decent time at the end result. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please feel free in the comment section. Ask. I'll get back to you, I promise. For any reason that I can't answer the question, on Facebook I do run a group. It's called Drone Days, and the link will be at the bottom here. You click on it, you can join it if you want. either or, join or comment down below. If I can't figure out the question, I have guys that are a little bit more experienced than myself, and we'll get you the answer to the question if I can. If you're having issues with a quad, it won't fly right, one of the propellers are spinning slowly, you're having trouble binding it, comment. Or join Drone Days and type away. If you join Drone Days and type away, you have more than just myself that'll get at you, but if you do comment on here, I'll definitely get back at you. And again, if I don't know the answer, I will research it and try to get you the answer and try to help you out. Right now, guys, we are pushing the 5.5 minute mark. I didn't include a setup time on this. I started right off of the flight pad and started going. So this is an accurate 5.5. We're at 5 minutes and 40 seconds right now. Flight time, non-charged battery right out of the box. This is pretty impressive here. I like a battery that you order and you can pop right in and get some decent flight time. And again, those flips I attribute to the wind. I mean, also I'm trying to do them pretty low to get a eyesight view, that way you can see how well this flips. I'm trying to get it in my face here, but the wind's pushing to the left, so it's a little bit hard to do. I like doing that for you guys, that way you can get a full view of how the quad looks when it's in the air. We are down when pushed a little bit too hard. That's a hand toss, and we are back up again. Well, so far, guys, I'm going to sign off on this battery. If you have a husband, which I believe is the name of the battery that they're actually advertising this for, or if you have this drone and you're looking for an upgraded battery or extra batteries, replacement batteries, this is the way to go. I mean, out of the box, I'm pushing 7 minutes right now. To exact T, I'm at 6 minutes and 55 seconds. You could take 3 seconds off for that crash there, but all in all, we just hit the 7 minute mark on an uncharged battery, guys. And again, these are 3.7, 350 mAh from Fly Kool, and it's fulfilled by Amazon, no worries. I believe, yep, the battery's just about done here. We got almost 7.5 minutes on this battery. I'm J Drone. If you haven't subscribed, please do.